Thanks for sticking with me through this foundational section on storage services. We focused on Amazon S3, the cornerstone of AWS storage. AWS offers a broad range of purpose-built storage services to meet diverse needs across enterprises, applications, and hybrid environments. While we won't dive into each one in this course, it's helpful to know what else is available. Here are a few worth knowing. Amazon Elastic File System, EFS. This is a scalable cloud-native file system for Linux workloads, perfect for shared access across multiple EC2 instances. AWS Backup, a centralized service for automating and managing backups across AWS services and on-premise systems, ensuring consistent protection and compliance. AWS Storage Gateway. It bridges on-premises environments with cloud storage, enabling local apps to store data seamlessly in AWS. Amazon FSx. It offers fully managed, high-performance file systems. We have come to the end of this section. Remember to clean up your environment and delete any buckets created that you're not using. I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn databases on AWS.